Hello folks, welcome to Hyam's Garden and Accent Store, which is in South Carolina, USA. Today I am going to show you a quick tour of this nursery. In this nursery you can easily find variety of seasonal flowering plants. And this one you're going to see is known as Sadabahar. This is very common plant in India, but I have never seen so many different colors in India of this same variety. The common one in India is just the pink one, but here you can see there are n number of colors in this one. Here is a small section of herbs in which they have grown thyme, rosemary, and fresh oregano and some other herbs. In India, this one is known as velvet plant, but you can see different colors in this one also, like 4 different kinds of colors, and they have hanging baskets in which they have grown the seasonal flowering plants also. Look at these beautiful flowers. They have almost all the colors which are available in one variety, so you can find all the colors here. They are looking very pretty. Even I don't know most of the flowering plants name, but yeah, you can just see and enjoy the beauty of these flowers. They have a very vast flowering section, so I'll just give you a quick tour about it. I'm sure this video is going to be very interesting for most of my viewers, as I'm going to cover vast varieties of pots in different shapes and sizes. Some beautiful sculptures which can enhance the beauty of your garden. They also have beautiful fountains, bonsai collections, tools which are required for making bonsais, wires, fertilizers, bonsai mix, soils, seeds, and a small pond also with fish and aquatic plants. If any of my viewers are planning to start a nursery or already have one, they might take some ideas and implement to make their nurseries better, as you can find almost all the things which you may need while developing a garden. So basically it's a one-stop store. Here you can see some clay and ceramic pots up here. This is a small section for succulents which requires heavy sunlight, so they all are here in the outside. You can see some cactus back there, and most of them are big leaf succulents. This is an olive plant. So as you can see, this all the section is for fruits, different kind of fruits like citrus fruits. They have hybrid roses in different varieties and colors, and these tall single trunk roses are very trending right now. Maybe you have seen them before in any other videos. Here they have created some triangle topiaries for Christmas decorations, and you can see big fruit plant which is $59. It's almost 6,000 rupees in Indian currency. And the next one is avocado plant. They are pretty big plants, like you can grow them right away and get some fruits after 2 years. And the next one is the grapevine. This is Southern Jewel Muscadine grape, which is of $39. It is almost 5,000 rupees in India. जो भाई लोग इंडिया से देख रहे हैं उनको देख के ताज्जुब होगा मेरे ख्याल से. यही बेल आपको 50 रुपए में मिल जाएगी, शायद वैरायटी है ना, बट स्टिल। This is a strawberry plant. As you can see, some of the strawberries are growing in it. This one is unripe right now. Here you can see big planters. Most of them are made up of fibers. They must be used in some multinational companies because they are very big for household purpose. Some of them cost around $500, which is almost 40,000 in India. It's a great experience to visit such nurseries. So you can see almost everything which you require, like almost everything. I would insist you not to skip the video because I'm going to show you some of the shocking things. So this section starts here. We have so many fountains, like small or big, whichever you want, which size you want. Some of them are like $4,000, $5,000. They have statues of dogs, cats, and some other animals which you can just put outside your garden. Give it a natural look. This whole section is for succulents. On my right you can see there is a fan blowing, which is just creating some humidity for most of the succulents which needs it. They also have submerged some of their succulents in water tubs. They have some miniatures also. This section is for junipers, cypress or bigger trees. I really like this bonsai which is growing near the pond. So this one is the red dragon Chinese maple, and the other one next to it is the regular green maple. These are also maples. Here you can see the small pond which I was talking about earlier. They have lotus grown in this one, and you can see some fish. So here we come again. This section is also for small bonsais, and you will be amazed by looking at the rates, the prices. This is only $159. तो भाइयों, ये $159 का जो पौधा है, इसका मतलब हो गया है कि ये ऑलमोस्ट 13,000 रुपये का। सच बोलूँ तो मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लगा ये प्राइस देख के। जिस हिसाब से इन्होंने बना रखा है उतना अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ बॉन्साई नर्सरी नहीं है। तो शायद बॉन्साई नर्सरी में जब अपन जाएंगे नेक्स्ट बार तो शायद आपको अच्छे बॉन्साई देखने को मिलेंगे, और यहाँ पे जो है वो मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ। This section has all the fertilizers, seeds, compost, soil mixtures, bonsai soil, and other decorative items, baskets. You can see some bonsai wires here, clippers. Look at this crocodile. And there are some spray guns for misting purpose. These all are the soil mixtures for different varieties like cactus or the bonsai or whatever you need. You can get all of them here. Different compost. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.